What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to TechMan. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add text in Adobe Premiere Pro using the new method. Launch Adobe Premiere Pro, open the project where you want to add text, go to the top menu and select Window. Click on Essential Graphics to open the panel where you can manage text and graphics. In the Essential Graphics panel, click on the New Layer button, select Text from the drop-down menu. Click anywhere on your program window to create a text box. Type the desired text into the text box. Use the selection tool or press V to adjust the position of your text layer on the screen. With the text layer selected, explore the options in the Essential Graphics panel. Adjust the following properties as needed, like font, color, and alignment. Play back your video in the program window to see how the text appears. Make any necessary adjustments to timing, position, or effects based on your preview. And there, you successfully added customized text in Premiere Pro 2024. By following the steps, you can enhance your videos with engaging text that captures your audience's attention.
If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.